Welcome back to the video, guys, to the channel. I'm an idiot. I deleted half of the video. I don't know what happened. I'm using new software and I got confused and yeah, it's gone. Anyway, it'll be a short one, but here I've already got the bunks off the trailer. I've already replaced the leaf springs and I got the fender off the tire over there on the driver's side, you can see. And the reason I did that was because the fender was bent, and so the bolts coming through, they dug out rubber on the tire because it was sitting so low. So those have to be replaced. I mean, they were dry rotted anyway, so I have to replace them. I'm just doing the lights right now, and then I got to take the trailer over to my neighbor's to get it welded. The stand, because it's a weld only, heads up, there are those. So yeah, enjoy the video for what it is, and I'll hopefully do better next time. Thanks, guys. All right, here you can see it welded on. Look at that weld job. Pretty good for the kid next door, man. He's a good kid, really knows his stuff. So yeah, I guess now I just got it back over, and I think I'm putting the bunks on next. So yeah, I've got to order another some of the 9/16 bolts, because those fender ones they just broke in half. So I'll be doing that as well. So the bunks are done. We got 2 new leaf springs on it, and we got the stand welded on. We're good to go. I screwed them on. I am going to be painting the bunks, the wood. It's treated 2x4s, but I'm going to paint it black anyway. I'm going to take the whites back off, paint it black as soon as I get the paint, and yeah, it'll look really good. Oh, look at how good that looks. Get some galvanized paint for that, because you had to sand it off, obviously. And yeah, hopefully we'll have the ski back on there. I put the PVC on there because it's supposed to slide really well, and if the bottom of that ski gets scratched up, then you know, we learned our lesson, but it's not that big of a deal to me. So worth trying out anyway. It'll last a lot longer than carpet. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.